need to have a bid process. Hello. So that's the first thing. You need to have a bid process, because here's the thing. In your bid process, a lot of times what I see with small business owners is their numbers are not accurate. And I don't want to say accurate in the sense like you don't know how to bid or you don't know how much something costs. But my point is, a lot of times, a lot of your indirect costs are left out, which means you start bidding and a couple of things is going to happen from the contractor's perspective and me as a prime from my perspective. If you underbid, then I know you left something out. Okay. Now, you may have someone that may give you the bid, even though you lowballed it, but not intentionally. And then what happens is 3/4 of the way through the project, you run out of money. And now that's another huge problem. It can get you disbarred on a federal contract, which means no more federal contracts for you and your business. So you don't want to have that happen. Have a bid process. Make sure you're checking off all of the blocks of everything that you need to do to submit a bid, that you're confident in your numbers and what you're submitting, that is done correctly, right? And that you get through this process quickly. It shouldn't take all day, right? When you have a process. Okay, so get clear on that. I want you to create your bid process. I want you to also, you have to break down the solicitations in this process as well. So it's very, very important that you know how to break down the solicitation so that you're responsive to the bid and you're answering all their questions. You're giving them everything that they're asking for, and you're showing them that you have the ability to perform. Okay? And then the bid work itself. You have to collect all your numbers. What does that process look like for you? Are you getting numbers from vendors, other contractors? How long does that take? How long does it take for you to put a bid together? There's a lot of thought and action steps in the bid process. And what I really love is, this just really hits home, because this week I'm actually finalizing module 3 of my Contractor's Edge Bootcamp, which is all on bid and profit. So this is going to be like they're all great modules, but I think this is like the juiciest module. It is the meat and potatoes of the program, like truly the game changer piece that'll change your business, okay?